Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I am going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video I made about brake servo failure, brake pedal failure. Brake has a hard time returning to its position and remains somewhat braked. Someone has written that they have this problem and that they have noticed that when they turn off the engine, the brake returns to normal, or also when they eliminate the vacuum input. Let's see, in that case, what it is doing is releasing the pressure inside the brake booster. There, the problem you have is inside the brake booster with the atmospheric pressure valve. There is a valve inside the brake booster which releases that vacuum, allowing air from outside to enter. The problem occurs when that valve becomes clogged, normally by dirt. It usually remains clogged by dirt, and the dirt is caused by the sponge itself. It has a sponge inside. Look, it has a sponge inside that prevents dirt from entering the brake booster. But that sponge, over time, over the years, degrades, decomposes, and it is the sponge itself that causes it to stay blocked. You can see that at the same time. Bottom, those black remains, because those remains are from that sponge, which have been left there. They form those residues because it has decomposed, and when it decomposes, what it does is plug that area. In some cases, it can be solved by vacuuming these remains, cleaning it, but there is other cases in which the entire brake booster must be replaced. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.